So what we have here is an LED light box, and there's a lot of different functional aspects of what we can get out of this product. We can get single-sided, double-sided, wall-mounted, canopy, a lot of different very functional elements of the light box. So first off, I want to talk about a couple specific elements, and the first one is right here. So if you look closely, you see a small seam here. That's actually because this is two pieces of extrusion. So if we use the first 8 centimeter piece of extrusion, we can make a single-sided light box that could be used for wall mounting. And if we use the second piece of extrusion, it gives us 12 centimeters in total, that we can do a double-sided light box. Now let's go take a look in the inside, look at the guts within the light box. So if we peer inside the panoramic LED light box, a couple things that we want to point out to you. First off, in this example, the lights are only at the bottom and the top of the frame. We don't need lights on the side. These lights, they throw about 4 feet. This actually presents a cost savings for you and for your client. You don't need the lights up on the sides. If we look at the lights themselves, the lens is actually just sitting right below the extrusion. We ship the lights already mounted into the frame. So from a transportation and I&D standpoint, there's savings. On the show floor, it's going to be easier to set the frame up. So again, there's a cost savings there, as well as they're going to be protected as they sit just below the extrusion. So in the next 2 videos, we're going to want to dig into 2 topics that expand the use of the panoramic light box. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for your business.